Welcome to this special meeting of the Phoenix City Council. Will the city clerk please call the roll?
Councilman DeCiccio? Councilmember Garcia? Councilman Nowakowski?
Here.
Councilwoman Pastor? Councilwoman Stark?
Here.
Councilman Waring?
Here.
Councilwoman Williams? Vice Mayor Guardado?
Here.
Mayor Gallego?
Here. Do we have a motion to move into executive session?
Yes, I would like to make a motion to move us into executive session.
I'll second that.
All those in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed?
Aye.
Passes unanimously. We will now convene in executive session. Welcome back to this special meeting to consider the declaration of local emergency. Vice Mayor, do you have a motion?
Yes, we have a motion to continue item 88 to a special council meeting at noon, Friday, March 20th, 2020, in the City Council chambers, and add an item to further discuss a local emergency declaration and rules on bars, restaurants, and other businesses.
Do we have a second?
I'll second that.
We have a motion and a second. Will our city attorney please explain the effect of that motion?
Yes, Mayor, members of the council, the effect of that motion would be that the proclamation of the declaration of emergency that was entered by the mayor would remain in effect until the meeting Friday, and council action on that at this point, on this item at that point in time.
Thank you. Roll call.
DeCiccio? No. Garcia?
Yes.
Nowakowski?
Yes.
Pastor? Yes. Stark?
Yes, but I want to explain my vote. I just want to make sure that people understand we still want to protect the healthcare system and our first responders. Thank you, yes.
Waring?
Yes.
Williams?
Yes.
Guardado?
Yes.
Gallego?
Yes. The motion passes 8-1. We will see you on Friday. This meeting is adjourned.